Okay, so here is our new Superpowers Flash from Todd McFarlane's line. It's a throwback to the 1980s. Okay, I don't have one of the originals. Like I said, I think that I preferred the Toy Biz 1989-90 edition, which is right here. So this is their version of the Flash. He's a little bit puffier, he's a little bit more muscular, and I don't know if that would be considered true to the comics or anything like that. He is a super powered super speedster. He's gonna have a high metabolism, and this is his gimmick, is that he runs. Again, I thought they were all silly, all of this stuff. I mean, I prefer an action figure that doesn't have something sticking out of his back. Okay, but comparing the two, I still like this. For telling you my preference of it, I still love the action figures no matter what. But I didn't care about the action feature. I thought that did detract from it somewhat. But comparing these two, the new one is probably your better choice. This has got the hard plastic, okay, but they're both really good. I never complained about this, and I thought that was pretty good, in comparison. I thought, I wanted to have both editions of the Green Lantern Superpowers. I used to have it, so I probably will end up with both of those to compare to the new one, at some point. But yeah, of course, if you grew up and this was what you had, you're gonna love it, most likely. Okay, but for sure there's a more modern look, definitely, more modern looking action figure right here. Quality may have, you may perceive a better quality, but other than that, they're pretty comparable. This one's not as shiny of a plastic. It's a more soft, rubbery type of plastic than this. Don't know which is going to hold up better. Probably this. I think these are notorious for breaking. So anyway, yep, there's our Flashes.